one moment.
Okay.
In 3 minutes.
Okay, Daniel, you can change the background while we will have other participants to introduce. So, Habiba, would you please to introduce yourself?
Oh, this is somebody's mom's and dad, right? I see
Yeah.
them there.
Pak Mustafa, Habiba, would you please to introduce, perkenalkan diri dulu.
Сказать так, goddaughter, крестница.
Mm.
Ну, она крестная мама.
Да,
Hello.
goddaughter, right.
Wait,
Hello, Habiba.
My
name is
So
Habiba.
many people. Oh my God.
Okay. Ya, Habiba, what grade are you? Habiba kelas berapa?
5.
5th grade. Okay, so Habiba is also from Indonesia. She is a 5th grader. And we will one more participant
Mm-hmm. Okay.
from Indonesia too.
From Indonesia. Wow.
Yes.
Hey, wow.
So Anna, you will have many friends from Indonesia,
Yeah.
from India.
And they're the same age, I think, right? They're similar age.
Yeah, yeah.
If you don't mind, they can introduce themselves and maybe ask Anna questions, because she's actually native speaker of English, right? She's not me. She is a native speaker.
Okay, anyone want to ask something to Anna from Australia? Maybe Devang, Kunz, Koyal? Do you have any question for Anna from Australia before we start our stations?
If you don't mind, maybe she will just say some words first by herself, and then you can ask questions, guys, right? If you don't mind.
Yeah,
Okay?
sure, it's okay.
Yeah, Anna, get ready. Yeah. Don't talk fast.
Yeah, we're like a country that we talk very fast, so I'm gonna try not to speak too fast for you. But as I am from Australia, and I was born from Russia, but I've been living in Australia for about 8-9 years, so I've picked up a lot of English words, but I can still speak quite a bit of Russian, but it's not as good as when I was little. So I'm in 8th grade. I am 13, and I like my school how it is.
About your pets, friends. What you like doing? What you like doing?
At school, I just like to talk a lot to my friends. I'm not as much as a work person. I like to be very much social. So, I mean, I do my work, but I'm more social than like work side. So, and here it's like autumn. For you, it might be different, but it's daylight right now. So
2 o'clock.
2 o'clock, yes.
2 o'clock p.m.
p.m.
Yeah.
Oh, 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock p.m., right?
Yeah.
Tell about your pets.
I have 2 pets. I started off with a cat. Her name's Timona. And then we got a dog for my 13th birthday because I've been wanting a dog all my life. And her name is Molly. So she's a Kelpie, but a blue Kelpie, which you don't see many of. So, and she's a 5.5 months. So she's still a puppy. They need a lot of amount of exercise to get them tired. She's been going to training classes, so she knows a lot of tricks. So we've been doing good with her. So we've been doing the right thing, which is good. because we're not that experienced
Good
with
dog.
dogs, so I'm very happy we're doing the right things with my dog. But that's all my pets that I have.
You're living with your mom and dad, yes?
Yeah.
Say something also about your family.
I live with my mum and dad, my dad was near Russia, which I forgot where he was.
Greek Russian.
Greek Russian.
Greek Russian.
Yeah. His parents were Russian. His mum spoke a lot of Russian to him, but his dad sometimes spoke English to him. And then my mum, I suppose, she was born in Canberra or Australia somewhere, and then she possibly moved back to Sydney with her dad. So that's technically, and now they are living here in Australia, in Canberra. So,
Okay.
Yeah.
Maybe that's it. Yeah. Let them ask questions. Yes, if they have any questions. If you guys have any questions, you can ask, right? Or you can ask them questions, right, Anna?
yeah.
Yeah. So you like pets, like a dog and also a cat. So
I'm an animal person, so any animal that is petable, I will gladly, have fun with it. But yeah. So if you've got any questions, feel free to ask me.
okay. Okay, thank you for your introduction. I think question and answer session will be in the end of the session. And now let's have Gunskaya to have a short presentation about environment and wildlife.
I have one question to Anna. What are your hobbies? What are your hobbies, Anna?
I don't really have hobbies on the whole, but I do like spending time usually on my devices, or if I am allowed to go hang out with friends. So they're usually my hobbies. I don't have very much.
You were doing choreography. You were singing in the choir. You were doing pottery.
I do
lots of other stuff.
Yeah, I do a lot of after-school activities. Like I am in a choir. I do like art classes with like clay and stuff like that.
You're very good at painting.
I am very good at painting. In my free time, if I feel up to, I will kind of like to draw or paint, whatever. But that's what I mostly like doing. So yeah, those are usually my hobbies.
You can show us your painting work next time.
Yeah.
Okay.
There's some questions here to Anna.
No
questions. No questions.
No questions. Guys, if you have any questions, just ask Anna questions.
And what are your favorite school subjects, Anna?
Not mathematics.
Anything
Anna.
except for math. I mean, I like sports. Some sports I do like. I sometimes like science, English, music that we're doing at the moment.
And French, you're studying French.
We were, but then there were not enough French teachers. I was going to do Japanese, but that's too hard. So I just moved on to literacy to help with my vocabulary in English, to help me spell better, say things correctly. So I'm enjoying that more than my French class. So, but yeah, that's pretty much about me right now, but you can ask questions. So
if we have time for questions, or it's up to you, you can, we will see your projects, and we promise that we will make projects about Australian animals next time.
Okay, okay, yep.
Okay, Guns, go ahead. Okay, I think he will share.
Share PPT.
Okay, sure, yes.
Mm-hmm. There will be slides probably. Yeah.
Mm.
Mhm.
Let's see the wild environment from India.
Mhm.
So we'll travel to India virtually.
Okay.
Okay, wait a minute. I think the screen is still loading.
Mhm.
Yeah, it's still loading.
Yes.
Oh, Ryan International School.
They are from Ryan International School, India.
Ah.
Can you turn the light here, if you can? А можешь включить свет?
Ну там кнопка есть.
Yes.
Мгм.
Это ночник в другую сторону.
Yep.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, go ahead, Gün.
Mom, Devang's line.
Oh, Devang.
Are you okay with the light? No? Немножко очень, да, давай. Как? Да, давай регулируй. Please regulate. Because I want a bright picture. Bright, яркую.
Ярко.
Bright
Okay,
picture.
Devang. Okay.
Mhm.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Divan Yadav and my friend name is Kunj. On behalf of Ryan International School, we will present a presentation on wildlife and environment.
Maybe internet problem.
Moment.
Happens.
Yep. I wanna make it a
Okay, go.
little
Oh,
That's
nice.
beautiful. Wow.
Wildlife and our environment. Our environment is home to many animals. Wildlife can be found in all ecosystems, deserts, forests, rainforests, plains, grasslands, and other areas, including the most developed urban areas. All have distinct forms of wildlife. Humans have historically tended to separate civilization from wildlife in a number of ways, including the legal, social, and moral senses. Wildlife has a considerable and highly varied impact on the environment.
Вклад на environment оказал очень большой.
India is blessed to be the home of an incredibly large variety of fauna. From the tiniest of mammals, the Asian house shrew, to the greatest, the Asian elephant, the nation provides shelter to the over 7.6% of all mammalian species. The Indian sky boasts of more than 1,300 avian species having colorful iridescent feathers. Also, due to country's diverse range of climate and topology, over 15,000 species of flora arise here, accounting for almost 6% of the total plant species in the world. But all things so bright and beautiful have hidden surprises.
Let's take a look into the fascinating wildlife of India.
Mhm. Ooh. Ooh.
The Royal Bengal tiger is a beautiful subspecies that possesses a dazzling coat of yellowish orange with dark black stripes and is a carefully selected candidate for the post of the national animal of India. Yes, most people are aware of this fact, but what they don't know is that this sleek creature, thunderous roar, can easily cover a distance of 2 kilometers.
Wow, what an amazing fact it was.
3 километра.
Distance of about 2 kilometers. Oh my God.
Yeah.
Could be scary.
Yeah. Raw. Rig, да? We have the snow leopards. Also too.
But we have
The
in
snow leopard is so
Siberia.
elusive that it is called the ghost cat or the grey ghost. So much so that even the conservationists who is work in the region have not sighted this cat often. According to WWF, snow leopards are found in 12 countries including China, Bhutan, Nepal, India, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Russia and Mongolia. They use their thick tails to balance on the rock and it comes in handy to wrap and hug them when it's too cold. Snow leopards are agile climbers and can leap as far as 50 feet.
Mhm. Did you finish?
If finished,
Sloth bears are only found in the Indian
Oh.
subcontinent. Sloth bears are also so awesome that even a tiger would never want to get in a fight with them. One, they're expert tree climbers. Two, have you seen their sharp claws? They may not be able to hear or see that well, but bears have an incredible sense of smell. Mama bears are fiercely protective of their cubs. In fact, they have been known to scare tigers away.
Не боятся тигров. Это маленькие медведи просто живут. Как зовут?
The Bengal flurkin is one cool bird. If you visit Dhodwa between March to June, you may get lucky enough to spot the show that the male birds put on during the breeding season. The male flurkin will fly almost 10 feet up into the air and then come down and then fly up again and then whoosh.
The red panda is a small black
Мрачный сезон, что
mammal
может
that
10 метров.
lives in the eastern Himalayas. They are primordially arboreal. They spend most of their time upon trees, jumping from branch to branch and taking the casual nap. However, its name is quite misleading as it is not closely related to the giant panda, but it was until the turn of the century that panda enthusiasts found out that red pandas from their own phylogenetic family alongside skunks and raccoons. What this basically means is that they resemble skunks and raccoons more than they resemble a giant black and white panda.
So cute. Look.
Steps taken by the Indian government for wildlife. The Indian Wildlife Act was passed by the government in 1972 for protection of plants and animal species. The act banned hunting and poaching of animals, provided a legal protection to their habitats. The central and state governments have established many wildlife sanctuaries and national parks in order to protect forests and wildlife. Various projects regarding the conservation of endangered species such as tiger and one-horned rhino have been initiated by the government. The government, through the introduction of a joint management program, has involved our local communities in management of forests.
Местные и центральные власти.
Yeah, thank you.
Yes,
Thank you. Awesome.
Thank you.
and
Very interesting
A
information.
little bit.
Beautiful
Bit,
pictures.
Немножко.
yes. Any question for that presentation? Otherwise, we move to other participants.
And do you have any questions?
Not really.
No, not really. Yeah, well, I would just say that I'm very much impressed because information is really new about some animals, especially this bear, right? It's so cute, this bear. It doesn't resemble our koalas here in Australia, but Very nice. Thank you very much.
Oh.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Okay, now let's
Thank you,
have
Anna.
Habiba to present the PowerPoint. Okay, let me share the screen for Habiba. Can you see my screen?
Okay.
Yes. Oh, Habiba?
Just from the school.
Mouse.
О, то есть,
The social
Affects human.
yes. Just most of her life she speaks this.
Then environment. Around a village where residents work the field on plantation, livestock, fishery, and agriculture. Where is my place? Sugarcane plantation are dominated by one of the obstacles for sugarcane farmers, namely race. Race are wild animals that can damage plants, kill, or rat pests.
Mhm, mhm.
These animals nesting holes in the ground are not too dangerous for humans but can deplete corn and fell corn.
Mhm.
Okay.
We also have canes. Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, that's the wild animal. Yeah, I think even though rat is also useful in our environment because they are part of food chains. So if
Mhm.
there are many rats, I mean the population of rats are so many, then the predator that will become a problem.
Yeah.
If
Yeah.
both for human and also for farming.
Mhm, mhm.
Okay, the next let's have Amy.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Eric is in English. Yes, Eric is English.
Amy with her students will present.
No, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay.
Mhm.
Let's have travel to Indonesia wildlife.
Hello, today we will present session about 6 best place to see wildlife in Indonesia.
Mhm.
Ujung Kulon National Park, Banten Province. Ujung Kulon National Park was established in West Java in 1992 with the main goal of protecting rhinos and bulls. The national park has an area of 120,550 hectares and is the main place for WWF Indonesia's Protected Animal Program. The Ujung Kulon National Park is Banten Province, is close to Jakarta, national capital. The one-horned rhinoceros is the most popular animal here, but there are also other animals that live in the popular tourist destination.
Mhm. Okay.
This is
Okay.
One
horn rhino.
Yeah, we see. Yeah.
Ujung Kulon.
Yeah.
Buluran National Park, East Java. Buluran National Park in Situbondo, East Java Province. There we can see a variety of animals such as bulls, water buffalo, monkeys, and peacock. The landscape of Buluran is very of Baluran is very amazing, similar to Africa. There are so many species you can see along the way around the park, ranging from leopard, mangrove cats, wild deer, buffalo deer, eagles, wolves, green peacocks, and much more.
Mhm. Okay.
This is picture of war canvas.
Mm.
It's like Africa.
Yeah,
It is
like
like
Africa.
Africa.
Yes, it looks like Africa. Yeah. Mhm.
Africa of Java.
Hello, I am Roya. Waikambas National Park, Lampung. Waikambas National Park is one of the oldest national parks in Indonesia. This Indonesia park is located at the southern tip of Sumatra, or about 110 kilometers from Bandar Lampung. White Canvas is known as an 11 conservation place. Besides being a sanctuary from Sumatran elephants, this national park is also known as their training ground. Inside, there are also Sumatran rhinoceros, conversion, and rhinoceros facilities.
Ooh. Mm. Mm.
This is a picture
That's like canvas.
my canvas.
Uh-huh. You are so little, but you can read and talk. We are very much surprised. How old are you?
California,
Sorry?
located in the southwestern peninsula of Central Kalimantan province. It has the opportunity to see wild animals such as orangutans, pythons, as well as the tropical berries. Beside orangutans, other wild animals are also suitable for inhabiting such ecosystems. Among them are proboscis monkey, sun deer, and various red bird species in the world.
Mm-hmm. Ooh, thank you. You have a great international park.
National Park.
This is a picture of Tanjung Puting National Park.
Ah, uh-huh. Another national park. Oh my God.
Alas Purwo National Park, West Java. Alas Purwo National Park, located in Purwoharjo, Banyuwangi, West Java. Animals that are living in the national park are quite diverse, ranging from deer, wolves, parrots, buffalo, wild pig, deer, leopard, apes, monitor, lizard, language, anggur, peacock, and various other birds. species.
Some of them we have never heard. Oh, look at this.
This is
Ooh.
a picture about Alas Urwo National Park. Padang Savana Sumba, West Nusa Tenggara. Sumbawa in West Nusa Tenggara is an island for hunting photos of wild animals that are quite popular in Eastern part of Indonesia. The most typical animal that you can see in Sumbawa is the wild horse. There are lots of wild horse in the savannah.
Okay, thank you.
This is a picture of Padang Savana Sumba.
And this is
Wow, how many
in here, Lampung is Waikambas here, in here. Lampung is Waikambas National Park. And Banten here, pink, right? That is Ujung Kulon National Park. And in Central Kalimantan is Borneo. Tanjung Puting National Park is at here, Central Kalimantan, and Baluran National Park and Alas Purwo is in East Java here. And Padang Savana Sumba is in West Nusa Tenggara in here.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Awesome. Okay. I would like to share screen from one of participants, but unfortunately, she's not attending the session, but already sent me the PowerPoint. So I will share you the PowerPoint. That's the environment around the village of one of students. So her village is surrounded with sugarcane, orange, snake fruit. I think it's a dragon fruit, banana, and coconut trees. Plant eat all very useful to economic and provided nutritional needs. So her environment very fresh, and because plant provided oxygen for respiration of animals and humans. Humans take care environment so that provide benefits for the continuity of their life. Environment and humans interaction with each other. So let's see what is the animal there. And dragonfly. A dragonfly is some kind of insect. It eats the other insects. Its life cycle is called metamorphosis. Dragonfly found a lot at her area. So the children like to see them because they have many colors and they're beautiful. And I think dragonfly also part of important indicator for the cleanliness and also the purity of the water, because life cycle of dragonfly is on the clean water. So that's and thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for the information.
You're welcome. And Eric, do you prepare something? Or you want to say something, maybe wild animal in Russia? If
Yeah.
you
Brown bear.
yeah. Wow.
Old Russia. Okay.
Wow.
Spelling brown. Spelling of brown. Okay.
So cute.
Eric, are you going to read to tell us or?
Eric, would you please to unmute yourself? Daniel, unmute because we cannot hear you. Okay. Yes, now you are audible.
Brown bear.
Brown
bear.
Bears have short tails and excellent sense of smell. They are typical solitary except for mothers with cubs. On average, bears can live up to 25 years in the wild and 50 in captivity. During winter, when food is scarce, most bears have an effective survival solution. Hibernation, a physical state in which the heart rate, body temperature, metabolism, and respiration is lowered.
Heart rate, not heart rate, yeah.
All bears are considered
Omnivorous.
And yes, they all love the taste of honey, but each species has a preferred diet. Polar mostly eat seals.
Полярный ест чайки.
Red fox around the world in many diverse habits, including forests, meadows, mountains, and deserts. They also adapt well to human environments such as farms and areas. Red fox earned him a legendary reputation as a clever and cunning animal. Red fox are solitary hunters. They feed on rodents, rabbits, birds, and other small animals. But their diet can be as flexible as their home environment.
Flexible
As their home environment. Fox can eat fruits and vegetables, fish, frogs, and even worms. Living among humans, foxes feed on cabbage and pet food. Like a cat, the fox thick toe helps it maintain its balance, but it has other uses. The fox uses its tail as a warm tail, also warm shelter in cold weather and as a signal flag to communicate with other individuals. Wolverine. Predatory animal from the
I didn't know about this.
A predatory animal from the family of martens. Outwardly resemble a cross between bear, cubs, and sable. Some natives have suggested that wolverines are actually small cubs that have failed to grow up. Arctic fox, a relatively small animal. Its body length is from 50 to 75 centimeters, height up to 30 centimeters.
Yeah.
The weight
Average.
weight of the male and female 3 and 3.5
respectively.
The largest individuals weigh 9 kilograms. The Arctic fox is often called the polar fox from the family of canids. This is a very beautiful and interesting animal that can withstand very low temperature up to 50 degrees Celsius.
Mhm.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Okay.
Thank you for sharing, Eric.
That's correct.
Okay,
Okay.
time
It's okay.
to have a conversation. Okay, if you want to share some more thing, or if you have a question, now it's time to share your question, to share your experience.
Guys, it's
So,
very
Rifah.
interesting to be and visit
Yeah.
there, these countries. Yeah. Animals are very exotic for us. Yeah.
So,
questions?
Rifah, I have a questions to you. What are the animals that live in your area of Malang?
Oh, yeah. Let
What are the
me
animals?
show you the share screen of Dila. So I think he's not well today. Dila's got the stomachache, so she's not attending the station. See, the environment around Malang is like this. So we live in surrounded by mountain. So you know that's Dila place is here, near here. So here, this mountain is called Banderman.
Yes, of course.
And then this is because we are in a mountainous, so the weather is cool and when it's spring water. So there are also one hot spring water near the slope mountain. See, let's have a look at this waterfall. So this is one of waterfall on the slope of Panderman Mountain. So this is called Oban Rais or Rais waterfall. It's the spring water which supply clean water for the people around it.
Yeah, beautiful water.
To reach the destination, to reach this waterfall, we need to walk about 3 kilometers. And while walking there, we can find these species. So this wildlife around Banderman. So we can see white monkey, and also the papilioparis is one of the butterflies and the mix Chaubanrais. So this
white
is
monkey.
Yeah, and also butterflies. And both in the ecosystem are very important. And butterfly too is indicator of the pure environment, clear environment, because and also the existence of host plant for butterfly, because butterfly do not eat the random plant. They eat the typical plant when they are in the form of caterpillars. So if you cannot see the butterfly around you, it means that the plant doesn't exist anymore, or there is no flower plant to nectaring. So butterfly has to kind of need two kinds of plants. That's house plant as the caterpillar, and also flower plant when they in the type of butterfly.
Thank you. Thank you. Interesting.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes. And any other question? Okay, Kunst, what is the national animals of India?
Tiger.
Sorry?
Tiger.
Tiger?
Okay. Tiger.
Oh, okay. Any other national animal of India beside tiger?
Тигр есть еще? Другие национальные животные beside tiger.
We have a
Okay.
national flower.
Mhm.
National flower named lotus.
Okay. How about
Flower.
peacock? How about peacock?
Peacock. Павлин. Peacock.
Peacock is also.
Okay,
Nice.
peacock is also Indian national animal. Okay, how about Australia, Anna?
Mhm.
Um,
You have from the
we haven't. We have emus, koalas, kangaroos,
Mhm.
platypus. That's really what we have, and wombats.
Wombats.
They're very funny sometimes. You look at wombat and koalas. I think we will prepare this. Yes, Anna? Yeah. And show you the pictures next
Yeah.
time. Mhm.
You can share us the photos or the videos of wombat. I think it's not not
We
familiar.
will. We will eventually.
Yeah.
Такое известно. Вомбат, но не такое известное.
Yeah, I think it is interesting to know animals from different countries.
Mhm.
And what is the national animal of Indonesia?
Okay, maybe other student will answer your
Yes.
question.
Yeah, please.
Let's give a chance to them.
Of course.
Okay, from Indonesia, what is the national animal of Indonesia? Habiba, do you know it?
Komodo.
Okay, Komodo is one of national animal in Indonesia.
Mhm.
And okay, other?
Mhm.
Belva?
Cendrawasih.
Cendrawasih. Okay.
And what is Jentravasi?
Cendrawasih is a kind of bird.
Yeah, Jentravasi,
No.
Komodo.
Actually, the other national animal from Indonesia is elang Java or Javanese hawk.
Javanese pardon?
Javanese hawk. Javanese eagle.
Eagle.
Yeah.
Eagle.
And other animals is animals of charm. We call this animal of charm is arwana, fish. It's kind of fish.
Kind of fish, arowana.
Mhm. You can see this the very beautiful animals. Is the color golden and also red.
Да. Желто, красно.
Once you see the Komodo, is like animal from a prehistoric era. Komodo is a very big lizard, and it lives endemically in the Komodo Island. Okay, Anna, are you ready for your video or your picture?
We haven't created one yet, so we're gonna create one.
Okay, good, sure. And what is national animal of Russia?
What is the national animal of Russia, Erin?
Bear, brown bear.
Wild bear. What are the other national animals of Russia? Какие еще?
I don't know.
Eric doesn't know. Eric doesn't know. Okay. What animals live in Russia? Can you tell us what animals live? Pigs. Wild pigs or home pigs?
Home pigs.
Home pigs, of course. What are the other animals that live? Domestic pigs, home pigs, yeah.
Cats.
Cats, okay. Wild cats or Just pets.
We have plenty of wild cats in Australia. Yeah.
Oh.
In Russia, lots of, and dog dingo. You have forgotten to talk about dingo.
The dingo. Собака dingo.
Sorry
Okay.
to
Do we
interrupt you.
have wolverines here in Russia? Wolverines?
Yes.
Wolverines? Зайцы, волки.
Rabbits.
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 Yes.
Wolves.
Wolves.
Yes.
Yes, wolves.
Do you have
Okay.
pet, Eric?
No, I don't have pet.
Oh, is it forbidden to have pet at your flat?
Запрещено? Is it banned?
No.
No. But why don't you have a pet here?
Yes.
Why don't you have a pet?
Почему хочу?
Why don't you have a
почему ты не
pet?
хочешь?
Don't you have a
Почему
pet?
тебя нет?
Yes.
I don't know.
No.
You don't like pet?
Yes.
Don't you like pet?
Yes, I like pet.
Eric likes pets.
Yes.
Oh, Eric likes pet, but
you have,
he doesn't have any pet.
Yeah, because you have to look after them, Eric, right?
Yeah.
Look after, ухаживать. You have to care, look after, right? Ухаживать.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ухаживать, играть, play.
Play,
Yeah.
look after.
Have a responsibility to look after the pet. Maybe that's the problem.
Ответственность.
Do you have pet,
Responsibility.
Habiba? Okay, let's ask Habiba. Do you have pet? Punya hewan peliharaan? No? Yes or no? Oh no. Why you don't have any pet, Habiba? Kenapa nggak punya hewan peliharaan?
Ayam, no ayam.
Oh, you have chicken. I like chicken, so you can hear the sounds of my chicken roosting. Okay.
Yeah, the background.
How about you, Devang? Can you hear that sound?
Yes, we can hear. Have.
Devang, do you have
pet.
Okay. Do you have any pet, Devang?
No.
No, you don't like any pet?
No.
Okay, you don't like it. How about you guys? Do you have any pet?
I was having, but not now.
Oh, okay, you was. So you have, do you have any plan to have a pet?
Sorry?
Do you have any plan to buy or to have any pet?
I don't have pet, but plants.
Oh, so you like plants more than an animal?
Yes.
Okay, good. So you can plant like citrus or orange, then you will have a butterfly life cycle there. So you have a double benefits. Yeah.
I will surely.
Yeah.
I'm sure.
Once you okay. Oh, Anna, once you plant
Here we
citrus,
are. This is
you
one of
will
my
have
animals.
many butterflies. Oh,
Yeah,
that's so
here.
cute.
So cute.
The cat. And shows
Yeah.
us the cat. The cat. Annie.
Oh,
Annie, yes. The cat is there. The cat is there.
Okay.
Here.
Okay, let's ask
Yeah, the dog is
Roya.
outside there.
The
Yes,
dog is
and
outside,
also-
so she has
yeah.
to be outside.
Roya, do you like pet?
I like, yeah. This is my first animal I ever got.
Первое животное.
Ihsan, do you like animal? Do you have pet?
Meow. You want to get off me? Ow.
Punya hewan peliharaan?
Yes.
Oh, what is it?
Cat.
Cat. Okay, so
Can-
Ihsan also like cat.
Okay, is it home app? Is it home app? Oh.
Cat.
Cat.
Cat, not apps.
Hey, not
Let
apps.
it is forbidden to have apes at home, I think, in Indonesia. So because it is protected animal.
Okay, okay, okay.
So we see apes at the zoo.
Okay. But I think it's not forbidden to have apes in Russia, actually.
Oh.
Maybe, yes. But I know it is forbidden here to have some dangerous and wild animals, of course. To have them at home or in houses. Yes, it is forbidden now. But not, but it is not for apes and some other small and cute animals. So that is okay with them.
Yes. And Anna, how many times do you feed your cat?
Well, if I feel up to feeding my own cat, I mean, my parents usually do. I do sometimes feed her, but I sometimes just forget. So.
Okay. Did you do you bath your cat too?
She hates the water. If you ever, I've tried to put her in the bathtub. I kind of ended up with some scratches.
Oh, so
Never
your
put a cat in the water.
Your cat doesn't like taking a bath.
No.
Oh, okay. Because you know that's as I show in the YouTube, there are many cats who likes water, so it's so cute. But yeah, I think most cats
don't like water.
Don't like water.
What about your dog, Anna?
She's only been bathed once, and I wasn't actually there to see. I presume she liked water, because I mean, most dogs do, but we were away on holiday, so I'm not entirely sure if she liked it or not. So she smelled really good after though.
Not really good after. No,
do you have any other pet other than cat?
A dog, but that's technically it. I only have 2 pets because my parents probably don't want any more just yet, so
2 is enough.
2 is enough right now, yeah.
Is it allowed to pet the koala in Australia?
Можно ли koala? Allowed.
Koalas are wild. We can't.
Yeah, koalas are wild, but some places in zoos you're allowed to pet them, but in the wild you should never like pet a koala because
they can scratch.
You'll end up with a bad scratch.
Yeah.
So there is no people who pet koala around their house.
We haven't. You don't see many koalas in Canberra.
You're in Canberra. Okay.
But lots of kangaroos. They're just hopping around. You can get out and see that they're just hopping around the area where you can.
There are lots of rabbits around.
Listen.
Okay.
Listen.
Rabbit and also kangaroo. That will be so interesting, I think.
My dog decided to turn into a kangaroo and jumped up on hind legs and started jumping and barking at them.
Yeah. As kangaroo.
As a kangaroo, yeah.
We only saw kangaroo in the zoo.
In the zoo, yeah.
Yeah.
There are lots of them. And they speak here in Australia that there are more kangaroos in Australia than people because we have just 25 million people living in Australia. It's a big territory, but only 25 million people. But they say about 27 or 29 million of kangaroos are living here.
Okay. Devang, do you want to say something or ask question? Or maybe Kunz?
27 миллионов кенгуру. То есть, можно сказать, в одной провинции, допустим, водится где-то.
Eric, do you want to have any question?
Eric, do you have any question?
No.
Eric is really wondered that there are so many kangaroos in Australia, right?
Oh, yeah.
Wondered 27.
I didn't even know there were that many kangaroos. Until now.
Until now, living in Australia, yeah. But that's the fact, yes. And there is actually, we are allowed to, unfortunately, to shoot them because there are too many of them.
Oh.
Yeah, and it is called cult, but some people use it as it's good meat. I tried
It
once.
is good meat.
It's good meat. It's lean meat. It's good for health, but I can't eat this meat from kangaroo. Yes, though it is in the shops, you can buy it and eat it. Right? Yep. Yeah, but somehow we feel uncomfortable to eat it. It is exported to many countries.
Oh, really? So
yeah, it is exported here to many countries.
For consumption.
Yep. Yep. It is quite expensive, even according to the Australian standards. It is expensive. Well, like for example, beef could cost lower than kangaroo meat right now.
Okay. Interesting.
Eric wanna play the game.
He's tired.
What is
yes, of speaking English.
Tell us.
What is your game, Eric?
Eric?
Online game?
Is it online game?
Yes.
Can you show us your online game?
Show us.
Why not?
What game are you playing?
Pardon?
What game are you playing?
What game are you playing?
I play Brawl Stars.
Brawl Stars?
Yes, Brawl Stars.
Brawl Stars. What do you mean browse?
Brawl.
Brown Star.
Brown Stars? Bravo Stars.
Oh. How to play it?
Pardon?
How to play it?
How to play it? Just you can show. How to play it. How to play it? How? Как ты играешь? Show the screen of this game.
Sorry, Daniel, could you repeat? We can't understand the name of the game because it sounds a little bit not.
Oh, you can write on the chat. Daniel, you can write on the chat.
Eric, write on the chat the name of the game.
Can we have a look at the name of this game?
Yeah. Maybe we can look at it and we download it together.
What is the name of this game? Bravo.
Okay.
Bravo game.
Oh, that's one.
We can't see spelling. No, we can't see the spelling.
Where is the spelling here? Where is the spelling?
Спел это что?
Ну, название. Brawl.
Okay, write it on chat because I think it's the Russian language.
No, it's English.
No, it's English.
That's probably English, but sounds very interesting.
Oh, yeah.
No chat here. It's off.
No chat here.
It's off.
No chat? Oh, really?
No. It is off.
Can you spell, Eric, can you spell us the word?
Oh,
Can you spell us the word
to enable
by the
the
letters?
chat?
By the letters?
Yeah.
Can you spell this word by the letters, bro?
B, then what? B?
B.
I thought it was P.
P or B?
I don't know.
R.
A W
W?
A
L?
Stars.
Bravo stars.
Oh, Brawl Star.
Brawl Stars.
Okay.
Yeah.
I never heard about this word. Bravo.
Yeah. Only millennial kids know many games.
Brawl Stars.
Okay. Okay, everyone. If there is no question anymore, shall we end the session?
And what will be the next topic? What topics do other participants prefer?
Okay. Any suggestion for the next meeting?
Any
for
suggestions, Eric, for the next topic?
Any suggestion for the next meeting? Anna, Habiba, Roya, Kun, Devang?
Topic?
I
Да,
have a
какая
suggestion.
Yeah, what is it?
Types of animals.
Sorry?
Types of animals.
Okay. Bu Emi, would you please to enable the chat? We cannot write on the chat. Okay. Sorry. Kunz, can you write on the paper and show us what the topic?
I'm sorry. I have to tell that we have an hour left for our lesson in Russian because I'm teaching Anna Russian. Yeah, and we have spent an hour with you guys, and thank you very much. We have to say goodbye to you. Thank you. Yeah, because I have just 40 minutes left for Russian lesson, for the Russian one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank
thank
you.
you.
Thank you.
Yeah,
I hope you can join next session too.
Yeah, and we will keep in touch via Daniel, right?
Okay. Yes.
Okay.
Thank you, Daniel, for inviting us here. Right.
Yes.
Yeah,
We
yeah,
will
yeah.
keep
Thank you for coming. Thank you for coming, and Mama.
Yeah.
Так,
Yeah.
София.
Okay. Sorry that we have to leave you. Sorry, guys. Bye.
Yeah, sure. Yes. It's okay.
Bye. Bye.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. Types of animals. Okay, there is the Devang from India. Suggest for types of animal. Maybe it's an aquatic animal or yeah, like where is the animal live? What do you think about it?
Oh, I would like another topic, not just about the animals, because we spoke about the animals, about the wild animals and some, and there was some information about the pets, right? Please suggest some other topics. I don't know what are the interested. What are the topics that you are interested in?
Maybe you know that's Eric like playing games. So how about we talk about game next session?
I like this topic. Eric, what about topic about the games? Computer games. Eric said, of course, yes. Yes. Of course, Eric said yes. He likes computer games, about phone games. Да, yes, of course, about games. Yes, of course. Eric, remember we had a topic in our private lessons about the games. Yes, and you had the words right about the computer games. Do you have it with you? Do you have the words about the games with you? Do you have the prints, right? Phone prints, right? Okay, that's good. No, the words from our sessions. Ну, слова. Помнишь, у нас урок был слова?
Yeah, it can be. We can explore traditional games too, rather than a modern game.
Okay.
What do you think? Okay.
So is it okay with you if we have computer game, phone games, and also traditional games? Am I right?
Yes, you're right.
Okay. Am I right?
So that's the game that kids playing this era, and also the traditional game that our ancestor or our elderly played in the previous time.
Okay. But okay, I will ask Eric to make some, make probably one slide about the traditional Russian games. Yes, okay.
Russian games?
Russian traditional games.
Russian youth games.
Русские традиционные игры.
So we will
One
have
slide.
both traditional and modern game, right?
Right. But if somebody would like to speak just about traditional games or maybe about computer games, I think it is okay. Yes, you can contain them both Yes, and you
Mhm.
can just choose one way, like computer
All right.
games, phone games, or just traditional games. Any kind of thing you would like to. Okay.
Okay. Yes. So deal. So next session, so we will have both modern and traditional games.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, everyone, thank you for your coming. I hope you have a wonderful weekend. And for Indonesian people, be patient because we are now fasting. It's the Ramadan season.
Да, Ramadan.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. What did you say, Eric? Say in English.
Eric, say in English.
In English.
Eric, say in English. Ты же сказал про праздник, то что одноклассника.
My friend Muslim.
My friend is Muslim.
Yes.
And
He post.
he has
Give.
no, да, he has a diet. He has a diet,
Yes.
kind of diet.
Mhm.
Because of Ramadan, right?
Yes.
Because of Ramadan.
Okay. Yes. Okay, thank you all. Bye-bye. See you next week.
Goodbye. See you.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much. Goodbye.
Jumpa.
Bye-bye. Sampai jumpa.
Sampai
Okay,
jumpa.
how-
Sampai jumpa.
Sampai
Sampai
jumpa.
jumpa. Sampai
How is
jumpa.
goodbye in Russia?
Oh,
Sorry.
пока.
Paka?
Пока.
Okay. Paka.
Пока. Sampai jumpa. Пока. Bye.
Bye. Okay.
Bye.